Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get the Kraken in BO4 zombies. To begin, you'll need to locate the mystery box on the map. Once found, spend 950 points to open it. The Kraken is a random drop, so you might need to try a few times. Keep opening the box until this powerful wonder weapon appears for you. It's all about persistence. To make your search more efficient, try to save your points and only open the mystery box when you have a good amount. Look out for the Fire Sale power-up, which significantly reduces the cost of each box opening. Additionally, the Alchemical Antithesis elixir can help you generate more points quickly, giving you more chances at the box. Remember, the Kraken is a rare wonder weapon, so patience is truly key. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't appear immediately. Playing with friends can also be a huge advantage, as you can pool your points together for more collective attempts at the mystery box. Focus on surviving rounds to naturally accumulate more points. Once you have the Kraken, you'll find it's an incredibly powerful wonder weapon, perfect for taking down large groups of zombies and special enemies. Its unique abilities make it a fantastic asset for high-round gameplay. Master its shots to dominate the map. And hey, while you're dominating, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.